Hi, welcome to TunesKit channel. In this video, today I'll show you 5 ways to fix iPhone not showing in iTunes. Method 1. Check USB connection. A bad USB cable may cause this issue, so you can use another USB cable, or use the original one made by Apple, or try another USB port while connecting to the computer. Method 2. Restart iPhone and computer. Another simple trick is to restart your iPhone as well as your computer, which may fix the iPhone not showing up in iTunes. To restart iPhone SE or older, 1. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. 2. Drag the slider, then wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. 3. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. To restart iPhone 10 or later, 1. Press and hold either volume down button and the side button until the power off slider appears. 2. Drag the slider, then wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. 3. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Method 3. Update iTunes to the latest. If it's not the USB cable or iPhone issue, then you can try to update iTunes to the latest version. Step 1. Open the iTunes and find the Help menu, where you can see the Check for Updates button. Step 2. Click the Check for Updates button, and iTunes will automatically check for later version. Method 4. Reset location and privacy settings. If your iPhone is plugged into the computer for the first time, it'll be asked to trust the computer. If you click Don't Trust, it will lead to the iPhone not showing up in iTunes problem, and the prompt will not appear again. To find it out, Step 1. Go to Settings, General. Step 2. Click Reset. Step 3. Reset location and privacy. Then replug iPhone into the computer and the message will pop up again. Tap Trust to continue. Method 5. Use TunesKit iOS system recovery. If the iPhone still can't be detected by iTunes, TunesKit iOS repair will be a great assistant. Step 1. Open and launch TunesKit on computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Then click the Start button. Step 2. Choose a repair mode. The standard mode is better, as it can keep the iPhone data intact. If done, click the Next button. Step 3. Into DFU mode. Follow the 3 steps to put your device into DFU mode. When the Next button is turned blue, then click it to the next step. Step 4. Download firmware package and repair. Before downloading, you can check the device info. Then, tap the download button. If it is complete, tap the repair button, and wait a few minutes, your iPhone will be repaired. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.